Alright, basically, if you haven't seen my video, this is Gerard's Horticulture Culture. This channel is about plants, 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 and more plants. We're just trying to get plants popping powerfully, predictably, with photosynthesis. Now that's all my... What's up, folks? I actually have my neighbors. They have like a chicken, a rooster, which is giving me problems. So believe it or not, so you don't hear the video and don't get rooster sounds in my video. Hey Google, what's a chicken hawk sound like?
I said, do we have a problem? Huh? Oh, U-S-U-S.
On the website allaboutbirds.org, they say, adults make a horse, screaming kee arranged by, do you want a little more context?
Yeah, why not?
Adults make a horse, screaming kee arranged by. It lasts 2 to 3 seconds and is usually given while soaring. During courtship, they also make a shrill shwerk, sometimes giving several of these calls in a row.
So if you got neighbors that live right next to you and they have a rooster that crows 4:30 in the morning, and you've been very patient with them to let them know that, you know, your rooster is crowing 4:30 in the morning, waking me up at night, or I'm sorry, 4:30 in the morning when I should be sleeping, but I'm listening to your rooster crowing. Play a chicken hawk sound. Now actually, give me sounds of chicken hawk.
This is a chicken.
Give me sounds for a chicken hawk.
This is a chicken.
What's a chicken hawk sound like?
This is a chicken.
What's a chicken hawk sound like?
This is a chicken.
What's a chicken hawk sound like?
This is a chicken.
What's a hawk sound like?
This is a hawk. This is a chicken.
Oh my god. Let me listen to a chicken hawk.
This is a chicken.
I don't want to know what a chicken hawk. I know what a chicken sounds like. I've been listening to them for the past couple months. What's a chicken hawk sound like? Alright, so here we go. Red-tailed hawk. And this literally shut that chicken up so I can make this video. So you can play whenever if you're making a video or if you want to sleep, you can just make some bird calls and or call the cops, because who wants to be woken up by a rooster 4:30 in the morning on a Saturday when you have off, when the chicken's like literally 20 feet away from you and it's crowing by the hour, and you can't open up your windows because the rooster is waking everybody up, and nobody really has any consideration for anyone else, but you got a rooster in a residential cookie cutter neighborhood, and you got a rooster crowing, like I said, at least 20 feet away. But anyway, I got an unboxing for you. Oh, that's also a sound. So we got the rooster to stop crowing, and actually I could proceed with the video. And actually, because it's just been a hectic week, I got engaged, which is great. I'll actually give you a story on how my engagement went on my next video, but I just got a package in the mail. Keep watching. I noticed that when I do take a shot, I'm a little bit more comfortable in front of the camera. So I'm gonna take a shot of this Espanol Tequila Blanco. I think some of it hit in my face. Just a little shot. And we're going to take one back for this unboxing. And if you were like really eyeballing that, that was like a third of a shot. I got things to do tonight. I can't be intoxicated. But the unboxing that we have today. Ooh. Alright. So unboxing we got today is from Eden CPs. Now I don't know if CP stands for something, but this is a non-sponsored unboxing from Eden CPs, and I want to break this down to you. I'm not going to tell you what I got yet, because this is all about this plant. So what I'll do is I'll tell Eden CPs that about this unboxing. I'll let them know I did an unboxing for his shipment, and hopefully, I mean, this is not sponsored, but hopefully this sends him some business, because he's the only one that I've been looking at online, and I just checked about 20 minutes ago, so go check out his page. He has these plants in the mail, and I think I'm drooling a little bit because I'm a little bit drunk, but I have some blunt scissors that we're going to open up this up with. Yeah, it makes it a little bit more difficult when you got that agave, and like I said, I don't know if you checked out my other videos, but if you feel like drinking and you got something to do the morning after and you're not worried about any type of hangover situation going on, get that 100% pure agave. I don't know, I'll bring some back in the back. I got some agave running right now. I'm not sure if I can't make alcohol right now. I don't know, I got too much stuff going on. But we're opening up the box, packaged very well. And we got some information here. See what's going on with this. Okay, this is just the order date, and basically it says refund policy, loyal. Well, actually it has a coupon. Use coupon code LOYAL during checkout for your next purchase to get 10% off of EdenCPs.com. And there's a refund policy, but I got this particular plant, which I'm going to tell you about in maybe 5-10 minutes, maybe hopefully less, maybe more. But I got this plant for $28.50, and shipping cost me $9. Actually, it's shorter than that, so I'm just going to look at this and show you this and let you know what we're working with Eden CP's packing style, and everything looks great. When I ship my plants, I make sure there's no movability, and there's absolutely no moving. There's no moving in with this plant, or no movement, nothing bouncing around. That's what we want. So let me open it up. And like I said, I was just looking at the page, and he's got it taped. He's got everything pretty much taped, packaged well, so we don't get any shifting or any bouncing around. Do some more ripping apart, because I'm a little tipsy. So now we got plant in hand. I'll back up a little bit more so you can see what's going on. Unfolding. Make sure. More unfolding. Ooh. Alright. Comes unrooted, or ships bare root. Cool on that. I'm just gonna rip this apart. Little drunk. But if you haven't recognized what's going on with this plant yet, And I haven't really looked at the leaves yet. You're actually seeing the leaves before I do, because I'm looking on the underside and it's just making sure that we don't have any pests or anything like that. And I'm going to quarantine this just for a little bit just to make sure that everything is kosher with it and we're not, spreading any pests. Because I just eliminated the aphid situation that I had going on. But ladies and gentlemen, this is the Alocasia Maharani. Look at that design pattern. Oh, Maharani. 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 We're just going to do a moment of silence for this beauty of nature. Everybody just take 1 second. Bam, there it is. All right, great. Here we go. So the texture on these leaves is something spectacular. I didn't think I would be able to get it for 20 bucks, so I jumped on it. There wasn't a site that I'd usually go after. And like I said, it's 28 bucks. I would say if you like it, go check it out now, because I'm also looking for that Silver Dragon Alocasia, and the prices are pretty high for that. But for the Alocasia Maharani, this was one of my wish list plants. I kind of saw this and I took a leap and ordered this online on my PayPal account. And I actually did some homework on it. So if you decide to get the Alocasia Maharani, it's like all your other alocasias. It loves water, loves well-drained soil, likes bright and direct light, fertilizing, I would say time released. I usually do mine during the spring with all my natural fertilizers, the 122 or 211. And if you've been following, that's basically how I usually fertilize my my plants. And then they get just a little bit of dosage from the koi tank. That's how I put back the nutrients in the soil to grow my plants, with the koi water. Of course, I'm going to put this under some grow lights to make it do its best, because right now it's the fall season. I'm entering a no-buy situation, which I'm trying to, but it's just not cold enough yet. There's no snow on the ground in Jersey, so we're okay. Well, like I said, I would suggest, if you really want to go grab this now, go check out his site, Eden CP. I was actually going to get one more, but I said, you know what, nah, this is great. I just want to see how well I do with the Maharani. And I was looking at some facts about it. They say it is from India, maybe Indonesia. It could be a hybrid. The origin is not known, but what we do know about it is it's an alocasia. And really, that's all we really need to know, because alocasias are pretty much specific. When they're growing leaves, they suck up a ton of water, because most of these heavy leaves are being held up by the water in the cells of the plants. So you want to make sure that you monitor the water and make sure you kind of keep it on the dry side very shortly, and then you want to transition it back to water. If you want to connect with me on Instagram, or if you just want to connect with me and talk with me at all, I love people. I love plant people. Just make sure you're a plant person if you want to contact me, because if you don't like plants, we really don't have anything to talk about. To be honest, I just don't know. But if you want to talk to me and connect with me, you can check me out on Instagram at Gerard_horticulture_culture. I love to talk about plants. I love to see your plants, and I love to display my plants. So take a look at my Instagram so we can connect.